बांबोळी येथील राष्ट्रीय महामार्ग रस्त्याला भेगा पडल्याने या कामाच्या दर्जाबाबत संशय व्यक्त करण्यात येत आहे.
My name is Andrea Pereira from NGO Hope Foundation. As we see, there are a lot of cracks already developed on the Bambulin Road, which has just opened to the public not even 2 months ago. Now, these cracks which are developed, is it because of the engineers who are in the PWD office, who do not know how to do the inspection, who do not want to do any work? Is it because of them, or have they not checked the materials? And after the work is done, have they followed up? Have they seen these cracks and still ignoring? Our PWD minister has given 10 years warranty for these roads. It's 2 months, sir. Let me tell you, it's only 2 months and there are already cracks. If your engineers cannot see, people like us will surely come out on the road and show you all where are the cracks. And sit in front of your office. That is the time you all can see. Others you all cannot see anything. I think if your engineers are not fit, the engineers for the highways that you have appointed, okay, to see, to inspect, please remove them. Appoint new ones, because we have lot of people who are unemployed and who are having these engineers degrees and who still need jobs, who will work much better than what these people are working, I think so. What about Mr. Movin Goodino? Huh? He had said 1 lakh for the people of Goa. Where is that? Why 1 lakh? Our lives cost only 1 lakh rupees? Is this what Movin Goodino has to say? Our Chief Minister, it's just a request. We do not want any hi-fi projects which will damage our greenery of Goa. You give us only, you've got 300 crores, no? In that 300 crores, you give us proper infrastructure, good roads, proper water supply and cheap electricity. Nothing more we want from you, sir. This is only what the Goans want. Thank you.
Ready? Yeah.
Lately we've been seeing on social media that a lot of people are being posting about the bad road situation, and especially I want to highlight the one which is from the Bamuli football field side to the military camp side. You can see that road has just been opened up for public and there are already cracks on that road. So, and Mr. Pavaskar is going on saying that, 10 years guarantee, 20 years guarantee. I mean, this is a national highway, and the national highway already getting cracks when it's just been opened up for the public. I mean, it's a sad situation. So that means what kind of material is being used in kind of building such big structures, and people's lives are at risk. Our tax money is just being flaunted for no reason. I mean, what is the quality? Just recently, and talking about bridges, let's talk about Atal Setu. Recently, when I travel from Poroni coming towards Panjim side, just at the exit, you either fly off or there are terrible potholes in it. I mean, where is public safety? You're coming with your full speed and then you're flying over, or you're going to go through, speed, I mean, bad potholes. So where is its life at risk? Because when you want to dodge, you'll either go left or right, and someone coming behind can end up meeting with an accident. So it's a sad situation today that, this big projects, development in the name, where is the real money going? Is it the contractors who are to be blamed for this faulty thing? I mean, they should be penalized for this. Tomorrow, we don't know if this cracks will cause to any death. And as Movin Goodino is going on saying that, 1 lakh for, casualties and stuff like that. I mean, 1 lakh? First of all, we are in debt. How the 1 lakh you're supposed to be paying off to the public who get injured? First of all, basic accidents that happen, you can't pay off. I mean, people don't know where they're supposed to complain, where are they supposed to, inform, like, we've met with an accident, how many documents, what documents, and who will get this privilege? Whether it's going to be selective, or all the people? I mean, how many accidents, including myself, my car damages, my body damages? I mean, who do we go forward to? It's a very sad situation. There's totally fake promises have been given by the BJP government, but nothing implemented. Sorry to say, but people's lives are at risk, and telling the public to please be careful, guys, because today your safety is more important, and highlight these issues. Because this present government is only giving fake assurances of 10 years. Mr. Pavaskar, I just want to ask you, bridges are getting cracks, potholes. Where is the money going? And are the contractors going to be held responsible? Or who's eating the extra money? That is the commission. So please, public, voice up, click a picture, highlight it so that we as public can work together and highlight these issues with the present government.
आज जे गोंयान नॅशनल हायवेचेर आमी परिस्थिती पळयत जाल्यार सामकी बिकट जाल्ली आसा. हांगासर बांबोळे वचून आमी जर पळयत जाल्यार रस्त्याचेर व्हडले व्हडले चरूच पडलेले आसा. म्हाका दिसता टोटल गोंयान जो नॅशनल हायवे जो जाता थंय आमी जर तेजे मुळाक जर वचत जाल्यार अशें दिसून येतलें की पयलीं म्हणजे जे लँड एक्विजिशन जावपाक जाय जो रस्तो करपाक तेच मुळान केल्लें ना. हे इल्लिगल हो नॅशनल हायवे हो केलो वता. हातूंत लोकांची घरां गेल्या, शेतां गेल्या आनी सगळें जी परिस्थिती आसा गोंयची जी खराब करून दवरलेली आसा हेंच्यांनी. आतां हितूर जी व्हडली कंपनी आसा म्हाका दिसता दिलीप बिल्डकॉन ही कंपनी आसा आनी दुसरी तेका सब कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट आसा तो MVR त्या कंपनीक दिल्लो आसा. आनी हे सगळे जो मोठे करप्शन हांगा चल्लेले आसा. आज गोंयच्या रस्त्यांचेर आमी जर पळयत दुर्दशा जाल्यार आज रस्तो करता, डांबर घालता, फाल्यां थंय कांयच नासता. परत टेंडरींग करप, परत ते रस्ते तोच रस्तो त्याच रस्त्यार हाडून डांबर थापप. म्हणजे हातूर कितें जाता हांगा व्हडले ही बॅगां प्रत्येकाक ही टेंडरींग करता आसतना ते पर्संटेज आसता तेंकां पावता. म्हणून हे परत आनी जालां कितें इतलें करून लोक बोवाळ मारता. लोक सगळे आतां सिसिला सारके बायल मनीस न्ही रस्त्यार रस्तो सारके जावंक जाय म्हणून रस्त्यार येवन बोवाळ मारता. जनरल पब्लीक बोवाळ मारता. पूण जे ऑथॉरिटीन हेजेर एक्शन घेवपाक जाय, स्पेशल रोड्साचे जे ए आसा ई आसा जावं कन्सर्न मिनिस्टर आसा जो आज सांगता आपूण गॅरंटी दिता 10 वर्सां. अरे बाबा पयलीं तुमची गॅरंटी आसा काय ना ती पयलीं पळयात. तुमी आतां 1 तारीख जातकूच तुमी खंय आसतले हें तुमकांच खबर ना आनी तुमी कसली गॅरंटी दिता. लोक हांगा दोळ्यांनी पळयता ते भोगता ते त्रास आनी तुमी गॅरंटी दिता म्हणून खंयच्या तोंडान सांगता तुमी. उलयता आसतना मातशें स्थितीत धरून उलयात. आनी गोंयकारांक आनी कितले तुमी फटयतले, प्रत्येक कामाक तुमी फटय दिल्ले आसा. आनी हो पयसो असो गोंयकाराचो कश्टाचो पयसो आसा, जनरल पब्लीक जे टॅक्स पे करता तेजो तुमी गैरवापर करता, स्वताची तुमडी भरता आनी परत 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 लोकांक त्रास करता. लोकांनी दिसभर जर रस्त्यार येवन ह्या सगळ्यो गोश्टी जर काडपाच्यो जाल्यो जाल्यार तुमी कित्याक जाय? आतां इलेक्शनाक तुमी कित्याक वता लोकां कडेन परत परत तुमी इलेक्शन करपाक आनी तुमकां निवडून दिया म्हणून सांगपाक? खंयच्या तोंडान वता तुमी? पयलीं ह्या म्हाका दिसता ह्या रस्तो जो नॅशनल हायवे आसा तेजेर पयलीं म्हणजे ही एन्क्वायरी ही जावकूच जाय. ज्युडिशियल आसूं जावं जे विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंट आसा, आमचे एंटी करप्शन ब्युरो आसा, हेजेर ही एन्क्वायरी तांणी करचीच. कारण हितूर मोठे करप्शन हे चल्लेले आसा. हांव गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मागतां तुमी परत 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 जे टेंडरींग करून हे जे हांगा करप्शनाचे हे वाडयल्ले आसा ते बंद करचें. बेगींतल्या बेगीन हे जे कितें चलयलां तेजेर तुमी सुटावो तोडगो काडचो. ना जाल्यार तुमकां हेजे परिणाम फुडें तुमकां लोक कितें आसा ते दाखयतले.
साडी शॉपिंग करपाक आतां बेळगांव वचपाची गरज ना. पणजींतल्या बॉम्बे बाजारांत तुमकां दर्जेदार प्रकारच्यो साडयो खरेदी करपाक मेळटा. नवीन व्हंकलेक नववारी असो किंवा उत्तर भारतीय लेहंगा, सिल्क साडी किंवा कॉटन साडी, तुमची पसंत आणि आमचे कलेक्शन. साडी स्वतः खातीर खरेदी करा किंवा गिफ्ट करा. बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जून रोड, पणजी.